How to make crumpets in Toca Boca World. You use specific item combinations with one of the four main characters, Rita, Nari, Leon, or Zeke, usually at the storage area in Bob City. So let's say we want to make a basketball and trophy combination. Let's go to the Bob City and go to the shop. Then let's open up the sidewalk and let's put a basketball in the character's hand. Now let's head back, go to Rita's apartment here. It's the building on the right in Bob City. Now let's open up the sidewalk. Let's grab Rita and let's grab the trophy. Put it in her hand. Now let's head back and we need to go to the storage. It's right here. Now let's head over to the sidewalk. Here is Rita. Okay. Now what you need to do is put both items in Rita's hand. And there you go. A crumpet just spawned. There are many different combinations. And these are some of the combinations that you can do. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.